Now we just see how to simulate it and check for the program execution. So what I have done, I just compiled it, assembled it. No warning. I go for the debug. You can see the some of the menu, something like debug session. Otherwise, you can locate here also. Go to debug and use this, and you can even press Ctrl F5. Right, I press here. It asks for some constraint saying that it is evaluation or something. You just click OK. So now you can see the appearance of the window has changed. Here earlier it was something, but now it shows all the registers in this CPU of 8051, R0 to R7 are the registers in 8051 CPU, and you can see the program. The arrow yellow color cursor comes here, meaning that upon pressing the execution step, the cursor, yellow color cursor, going to step by step, meaning that that instruction is completed, something like that. Okay, I can execute the instruction one by one by means of this debug. I can use this option, either F5, F11 or F10. F10 as a whole, go, right? So it comes to till end, or sometimes continuously executed, fine. Whereas I can go for step by step. So for this time being, I'm using step by step, I mean F11. So now I'm going to press F11. So F11. Fine. So the green color indicator indicates that the instruction is completed. Now yellow color indicates that instruction going to execute. So one more F11. Yeah. Now the CPU is getting into delay programs. But look at here, it will take long time to come out. So I have to keep press F11. It is very tough to execute. I mean, press the F11 key multiple of times. It takes about thousands of times or lakh in time. So I'm not happy with pressing F11 keep and continuously. So for that I can do some other method. So what I can do, I can give I can double click here. So you can see red color comes. This is called a breakpoint, and you can press one more red color, something like that. So you can do here. So any number of times you can keep it at the breakpoint. Now you can give go, right? So go meaning that the multiple times that executed, it comes out from the function, right? Okay, fine. So it helps me, the breakpoint helps me to press multiple times of F11 single step, right? That's fine. So now this is the method to go for executing it. Okay, if you want to go back, reset it, cursor goes here, again double click in the same place, the red color disappear. Fine. Now I'm going to execute how much time being taken by this delay program. So what I need to do in this, I put a cursor here and one more cursor here, fine. And if you want to evaluate here, put one more cursor here and one more cursor here, fine. I mean, before at the delay program and next to that delay program calling instruction, I'm giving two breakpoints, something like that. Reset it already. You just click go, I mean F11. Yeah, it comes here. Then so now it is ready to execute delay function, right? Fine. So now look at how much time so far it is being taken. It is 0.000434 seconds. Fine. When I press one more time F5, I mean go, yeah, it has gone to here and comes back to this, right? So it has taken about 1.00252279 seconds. Fine. But the question is, you need to generate 1 millisecond. Because of this value 1, it is 1 millisecond. But in this program, it is being given for 1 second. Students are requested to configure this program value. Look at the execution loop one by one, since you are familiar with the instruction which is taught in theory class, and you can look at for what are the things to be changed to make 1 millisecond delay. When I give this value to be 2 millisecond, right? In this example, it is 1 second. Come out from 2, I mean debug, make it to 2, right? I'm giving 2. Save it, again assemble it, go to one more time the debug. So now go for F5. It has come here. This is called hardware overhead time. When I mean overhead delay. When I press one more F5, you can see it has taken approximately 2.0050 seconds, right? So this program is well and good calibrated for seconds in delay. I mean minimum one time when you call this function, it is called 1 second delay, but you need to change it to 1 millisecond delay. This value gives how much time, I mean how much this fundamental of the delay, 2 times of this, right, and 3 times of this. This is an idea. You are going to work it out in this manner. Yes, that is an idea of